Kani gadi ke Dudarshan, Meghalaya bat gipriang subhai fi baro syakatub khubor minta ke step. Shwa bangin pai syaki khubor ki babnia, ngine pet shwa ya ki mat ki bakong san. Pinskem Menteri Rangba ke jela ukonrat ke sangma ya ke jing persyak jor ke sarkar halor ke jing ti uranium, pen bena ban pinmi ke kawai kerai ban ti uranium hapok ke jela Meghalaya. Bisharnya Menteri Rangba ke jela halor wadhar ki program halor ke kwat ke kya bat ki bor pinmi ding bala ban pin thamai biang bat ya ki kam penroi ki bania. Sam A ke Sinjuk Hills Farmers Union Hinyo Traptan Hinriu Tan Ukubi Hanong Ba Shillong dawa badai ban le A ke sarkar bat kmi nya halor ke jing hebdor palat po jongki maram sedang ke sarkar pedang ya ke benta ke batmai jong ke skim udan ban pinyasno ya sispa ar pauteli ke jaka ke batmai bat ban pinya shushu ya ka let kawan na sun habaro kawai ke ri India ban poi ke jinga linti jong ke Limpung Indian Oil Duran Cup Trophy ke basispa lai pesan ha Guwahati haswa ban sedang ke Limpung elekai sedang shongshit habaro kawai ke than satai lami minta ngine pai shwai shaki khubor na kajilla Menteri Rangba kajilla ukonrat ki sangma ulapins kembyang sa shisien ya karai ka bashai bat bas kem jongka ha ka bayadai bat ka jing persya jor ya ka jing tmuti uranium ha ka ni kajilla ulapin bana ba ka sarkar kan pinmi ya karai da ka wei ka sur ban persya bat khang ya ka jingti uranium ha Meghalaya da ka bapin kan mau biang ba kam shim la ai jingbit ya kum kini ki jat kam ka jingtmu ban pinmi ya ka wei karai ka long ban pin bet ya ka jing snok ya jingmun bala slam jong ki pat ba ha ka bayadai bat ka jingla ban syak ta ka mariang bat ka imlang salang na ka jingti uranium bat ha ka ju ka por ban pin kot ya ka jing artatien ki babun balang ha ka bayadai bat ka ni ka mat
decision on that recently our Honorable Minister of State, Dr. Jitendra Singh ji, was in Shillong for a program. And during the short discussion with the press had asked him about the situation or the stand of the government of India in regards to uranium mining in the state of Meghalaya. Dr. Jitendra Singh had clarified that government of India has not made any decision on that matter. And the government of India is still examining, but no decision has been taken. This was not clearly mentioned in the press, but his statement is very clear that government of India has not decided on any step forward. Number two, I have made it very, very clear number of times that the state government, especially our NPP-led government, is against the uranium mining. And that we have made it clear that we will oppose any form of attempt to have uranium mining in the state. As we are aware about the different implications that it could have on our people, on our environment, on different aspects of our forest, and the overall impact that it can have on the people and the future of our state. And hence there are too many risks that are involved, and hence we are very firm, as I said once again, that we will oppose the uranium mining in our state, and we will work towards passing a resolution in that aspect.
Menteri Rangba ke jela ukonrat ke sangma hinden kasngi ula bishar banya ek jing penrung kerteng adhar bat ka EKYC hakileng kitanat sarkar ki bakham kongsan da ka banjur halor ka jing don kam ban pintikna ya ka jing pentrei kam klem kanu ka jing dko ya ki scheme na ka benta ka bha kamiat ki patba ke sarkar kala perkhat ru man pindan kam de ki common service center man pin khamstan ya ka KYC lingba ki program sam jingtem bat ki jingpen rong kerteng usang ma ula bishar bnya ru ha ka bayadai bat ka kot ka khya ringkat bat menteri katanat ka kot ka khya uba wailat miki shela dag ba pinle jingmut kham tam e halor ka kot ka khya jong ki longkme ka bam ka di taiman bat ban pinslur ban lekha khlong ha ki hospital hakaway pat ka jinghelang bat ka tanat boarding ula bishar banya ya ka jingpen traikam ya ka CM solar mission PM kusum bat ka PM surya ghar ha ka ba la kham ban jur halor ban pinyar ya ka jingsam boarding na ka benta ban pin khlan ya ka song tingka jong ka MEECL.
The third review that we had today was of the health department, and in this review we have seen the NFHS report of 2025 and the different parameters of the health indicators in the state were reflected in that report, which is of course a national report for different states that comes out. And again, I'm very happy to see that the overall performance of Meghalaya has improved drastically in almost all the parameters in a positive way. Which indicates that a lot of our efforts are showing results, especially as I said in the health sector. At the same time, we reviewed the different infrastructural works and investments going on in the health sector, whether it's at the district hospital level, PHCs, CHCs or sub-centers. And again, I'm happy to inform that the works are going on at a very good pace. In the power department, we had a review of some of the central schemes like PM Kusum as well as the PM Surya program. In both these programs, as you are aware, that we have to work closely with different agencies as well as different suppliers and implement and support the different beneficiaries.
Menteri rangba ke jela ukonrat ke sangma Hinden kesngi ula kmi bnya ya ke jingya chaprang ki kam ki jam jong katanat animal husbandry and veterinary dag ba pinle jingmon halwar pan pin bha ya ka kot ka khya jong ki jingri ka kamai jak po jong ki nongram bat ki nongri jingri kani ka jingkmi bnya kala kin thup lang ya ka jing ai sernot online halwar ka kot ka khya ki jingri ki program ai tika ki jaka ri jingri ka sarkar bat ka jingpin mi ya ki jingri kum ki sniang bat ki siar Laya keren ru ban seng ya ka College of Veterinary Science hakerdam kulai bat ban pin bha ya ki jing tailing ba ka scheme na ka sarkar pedeng bat ban pin khlan ya ka jing shakri jong ka ni ka tanat ling ba ki jing don ki khardop ki batham mai bat ban khmi bnya ya ki jing ri jing dop bat ki wei
The first was the veterinary and animal husbandry department, and we looked at the overall functioning of the department. At the same time, we worked towards creating specific targets and goals, especially when it comes to the overall demand and supply and measures on how to reduce the gap between the demand and supply. And second, to ensure that the overall livelihood opportunities that are there for our farmers, how we could enhance it, how we could give opportunities to entrepreneurs to come into this sector and create value. So all of these aspects were discussed and how government should intervene in it. All the details were discussed in this aspect. At the same time, we also looked into the support structure and system required for it, whether it's the manpower shortage that's there in the department, or the supply of feed, or the vaccination program, and important infrastructures like the veterinary hospital. All of these aspects were discussed in detail, and in the coming weeks we will again further review the plan of action and how we will move forward in those aspects.
Ka Central Agricultural University Imphal hinden ka singi kala pli perda ya ka jing yalang merjing mud lani ka national workshop ka ba arsengi halor ka phang Cow Management and Innovation, Hakajaka Pulie Jongka, ka College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences, Omyam. Ki nongwat bnya kinong snaan bat ki riu shampang ha ki kamri jingri kilaya mir jingmut halor ka jingpenne pensa ya ki jingri jingdom ki bana ka jilla karukomri jingri ka bapaka bat ka bane ka repten rai bat ka jingpennan kam ya ka jing start science kinong kren kila penpau ya ka jingdon kam ban pinyas no lang ya ka jingnang jingtep ten rai bat ka jingwar bnya ki ba menta ban kintiu ya kurukom ram dag ba pensyong nong rem halor ka jingri masi ban penne pensa ya ki jingri jingdom badai try na po ka jela bat ban pen khlan ya ka yo ka kot ha ki jaka nong kendong lingba ka rap karyang ka banne bat ban pen bha ya ki kam rimrat
विशेष रूप से जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट की गाय है उसका संरक्षण कैसे हो, उसको गोपालक पालने का मन कैसे बने और वह अपने व्यक्तिगत जीवन में आचरण में कैसे आए, ऐसे विषयों पर हम सब यहाँ 2 दिन चर्चा करने वाले हैं। और ये जो इसका एक मंथन होगा, मंथन के आधार पर व्यवहारिक जीवन में इस कार्यशाला में गाय के बारे में रिसर्च करने वाले भी हैं और गाय के भक्त भी हैं और गाय का पालन करने वाले, और इसलिए तीनों प्रकार के लोग होने की वजह से जो कम्युनिकेशन गैपिंग रहती है वो भी इसी कार्यशाला में उसका भी समाधान होगा। इसलिए यह कार्यशाला अपने नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लिए पूरे देश के बड़े लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं, सब मिल करके इस नॉर्थ ईस्ट में गाय का संरक्षण कैसे हो, संवर्धन कैसे हो और इसके गुणात्मकता का विकास कैसे हो, इसके बारे में हम सब यहाँ चिंतन करेंगे। और यह चिंतन अपने इस नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लिए एक परिणामकारी और भविष्य में एक गो आधारित जीवन जीने की दिशा में एक अच्छा कार्यक्रम में हम सब आए हैं। और यह कार्यक्रम अपने नॉर्थ ईस्ट में चेंजिंग का एक समय तय करेगा। तो आज के दिन हम सब दिन भर यहाँ चर्चा करेंगे, कई विषयों पर चर्चा।
Usamna mizo ubaladap arpweis nam karta ubalasha kenno ba ulakta kti klem akor yaki babun ki kena kenthai badangren karta hapo kenong ba shillong ulalet ban IT no ayaladi halat ngkra police station hinnen kasngi hadien ba ula pherre la kumba shitayo uni unong sha kenno ubalatip kerteng kum u Jonathan L Pachau ulasha kem no mardor ha kabayadai bat kani ke jingja bat la pinhap ye u hakiken don balai sao khát way bat khát ar jong ka an Pokso Act bat ka kendon real iway jong ka BNS hashwa ki pulit kila penmi ya ka jingpen bana ban thwet ya u bat la thawru ya ka kenhun bakerpang man but dien ya u hadien balami bat sapriang ka jingken no ka bala wanra ru ya ka jingpen ram jur na ka liang ki pat ba Kasinjog Hills Farmers Union kala sam ay kumbahan riutan ukubi hanong ba shillong hinnen kasngi ban persha ya ka jingher dor palat po jong ukubi kinong rap kila ya thuru ba kila hab bande ya uni umar rap jongki hakador ka batang artingka shikilo kabaya day kabala duna shaba palat bat ya kabay penlun kani kasinjog kala kenturu ya ka sarkar bakan but dien bat penyat ya ka dor ka mur jongki marrap bu ya ka dor dia kababyang khnang ba bat bakan wat ru ya kilat kilenti ki banne ban yada ya ki nongrap na ka jingher dor ki marrap na ka por sha ka por
kaliang jongka union menen ngilawan kendu ya UDC jongka East Kasil district ro namar kani ka jinge ni sotu ba dei bandan manu ba monitor tengis ngotu ba ka napo DC office ki judan yakini ki monitoring officer ki bachet monitor ki price kum ngiu I kini ki Russian ki bawan nadu khaw nadu ka sini company syarak nang ta udai nang ta ushana kini baru khat ki basam ka dadan da ka price te lada ka government but ki department ki work out ya kani ka price nangets kam bakin tibai ke input price kum bangala batay mene input price we kubi ban mi kilo ka jing pulut kan long ko ba shipau khat waitingka te menta lada ngila ban monitor kata ngijukran ro nakapor sa kapori kani ka minimum support price hawat ni susu baga minimum support price kadeka central subject but at least minimum input price ka government but ki department ki dibandan katno ki pelut ha uwe usitan rai kubi bon penmi ha ka sikilo te kini ki baro nga sngoba kamdesu ka barang thamai ngila juya keren ya kani na kapor sa kapor hamtam ha katu kapor ka bangilong ka migal katu ka Meghalaya Farmers Parliament ki jingkli jong kinongrap ki babun ba te henrei ngi sngo ba kani kan penkindit benriu ba ngi de ban walk out lada ya ka budget la ban sna tengah sngo umdan jingi ini di kamberit ba kan ban monitor ki price jong ki mar jong kinongrap
bun sian ya ki jing ujor na ki pat ba ka seng KSU Nongstran Circle kala let ban jurep ya ka surak ka badang syudap siang rong na hawela ha ya ka surak ka badang syudap siang rong themai ha lat weitang ha ka ba kala lap ba kala peithlio bat kala kennoru ba ka rukom sna surak ka long ka bambiang satya kani ka seng hadien ba kala let ban IT da ka dorkhas sha ka deputy commissioner jong ka West Khasi Hills ka Himan Nayak ha ka ba kala dawa ba ka dei ban maramot no mardor bat ban lei ai persha ya contractor lada Shem baka day ka badan kam. Ka Deputy Commissioner kala pinbana ya kani ka kenhun bakan bishar benya ya kani ka phang bat kan sa shimru ya ki sien jam ki badan kam.
Tam taksi na banya jongi ka KSU Nongstran Circle nilai yuman ya kenduk i Deputy Commissioner hak bedai bat ka jing siang kan ka surok maduna man pak selu betang kepada nami na kapasitang nami na prestation handuk hantai jan office jangka DPR tu. Kajian handuk jongi madam Deputy Commissioner kalau bangi kum keseng ni lap ni siam kajing siang buat kajing kani kawa ai black topping dan kesurok nadu nang ni siam baka kalau ke termur kata ya ke ba nak liang jong doktor siam la pentri ya ka ni ka surok hakunti ka wadai bat hakabar kai kasurok tang shibnai ndrei kita bun kita parpai bat kita jingpei yang ka jingpei tri yang kasurok oh jak ini sini kita belalai nilai on nek kenduk i astan engineer yang kapli di road bat ila om ba i kontraktor ila pentrei kan kasurok rei la sam untuk dan rei nak liang jungi kumusai nin om aila ya kini dijat jingle turmur
ka Khasi Students Union East Jantia Hills District kalalet ban khang ya kitana trekam jong ka Meghalaya Rural Bank habaro akawai ka district ha ka bakala kenno persharu bakani ka bank kam shim lala ban ai shuti ha ka sngi rakhe be ding khlam kani ka jingle jong ka seng ka long hadien ba ka hukum bala pinmi da deputy commissioner ke East Jantia Hills ha ka bakala pinbana ba ka khanriu tarik unaitung ka dei ka sngi shuti na ka benta ki office sarkar ki jaka pulie bat ki bang kum kadak ka jingra khe ya ka tamasa be ding khlam jong ka sinra tu ber ka bajulong manla usnam ka jingle niam be ding khlam bajulong manla usnam jong ka seng sinra tu ber kala poi shaka sngi ka balai ringkat ka jingle buram bat ka jingat pat ba ban ra yo khnong blai na merjai shas em adnar bala tip ru kum ka tu ber ha ka bakadei ka pung ka bakentang haringkat ka put ka tem tenrai ka duai ka phirat bat ka le niam le rukam lan kani ka jingyat pat ba kala khring da ki spa ngut ki pat riungan bat ki nong pet kai bat kala pen pau ya ka jingru spa ka kol shor bat ka riti duster bat ka spa nong temen jong ka ni ka jingle niam le rukam jong ki jat ben riu penar ka ba saus ngi linter ka ba rakhe ya ka jingan ka jingelong ka wai bat ka jing pahu pahai mentang ini pai shaki KHUBOR na katan shate lamingi Ketenat Indian Meteorological Department kalaya thu lepa ba kala bandan ka jingther ulaba lapsan hakathan mingi jongkari bat hakathan shate lamingi baro kawai hakaphang mingi ka jilla Uttar Pradesh bat hakapang setngi jongki jaka ki badan haki lomba Himalaya bat hakini ki nyosngi ki bansawan hakaba la ru bandan ka jinghap uslap ubajur haki kaptu katni ki jaka jongka jilla Odisha minta kasngi Mintapat ngina phashwa shaki khubor na kileng kari. Menteri Sarkar Pedang ubadai pet yakatanat Civil Aviation ukinja rapu Ram Mohan Naidu hinden kesngi ulapin bena yaka benta ke bansawan jong ke skim udan ke batemu ban penyaso ya shispa arphoteli ki jaka ki bathemai ke ban aila ru ya palan sau kelur ngut ki patba ban let banwan hakini ki shposnam ki bansawan. Kini ke skim balada pentmai biang ke yarap pisa ya ki company penya lingsun kapin klan ya ki kat lingsun haki jaka baper bat ke buru ya katang ban pinmi sa shispa teli ki kat lingsun bat ki arspa teli ki kat helikopter ni ki heliport ke sarkar kala ongru baka ni kan kentiu ya ka jingpin ya so ya ki jaka bat kari baro akawai ban kan thau ka kam ka jam bat ban kershan ya ka jingshna lingsun hapo ka ni kari bat kan kentiu ru ya ka jingtmu Atma Nirbhar Bharat.
Today from the ministry we have conducted a workshop for the Udan scheme which is going to be extended for the next 10 years. This has been launched by our Honorable Prime Minister on the 4th of July in Jodhpur, and there has been a lot of excitement in the civil aviation industry in the country on how we are going to implement it for the next 10 years. Because the last 10 years we have laid a strong foundation for civil aviation. You know how we have expanded the airport network through the Udan scheme. We have created 90 aerodromes, including water aerodromes and heliports. And then we have serviced more than 669 routes, 1.66 crore people of the country, and most of them who come from lower income, neo-middle class and middle class, they have been able to utilize the Udan scheme. So this has been the success for the last 10 years. But we have seen that there could be scope for improvement. That is where we have brought in some changes, and the government of India has given an outlay of 29,000 crores for the next 10 years for this, which is quite huge, and we feel that the whole civil aviation industry and the people can take benefit of this and create a strong ecosystem of civil aviation across each and every part of the country. The aspiration of the country today is that every single place wants to be connected to every single place, every single destination. So to cater for that, we have brought in some changes in the present Udan scheme. Earlier, for an airport to be unserved or underserved, we used to calculate it to have less than 7 flights a week. But now we have taken the number up and we are saying that it has to be 14 or less. So this is going to help provide the viability gap funding for an airport for more number of routes.
Mentang ini phai shwa shaki khubor ya lekai. Kajingya lenti ke trophy jong ke lempung Indian Oil Duran Cup ke basispa laipusan kalapoi ha Guwahati hinnen kesngi ke badai ke dak jong ke jing sedang ke ya ke lempung ya lekai football ke beremtam hapo ke Doba Asia haba ai jingkran hakani ke program Menteri ke Jilla Assam ubadai pet ya ke tanat ya lekai ubeswaji Daimeri ula banjur halor ke jingdan kam ban pinklan ya ke jing lekai football nadu tenrai Katba Major General Dinesh Kumar Singh ulapin pau ya ke benta ke bakongsan jong ke ni ke lempung ya lekai ha ke ban kentiu ya kisap ya lekai jong ki samla ke trofi bapau nam jong ke Duran Cup President's Cup bat Simla Trophy kin saya chaki jaka bakongsan ha Guwahati shwaban sedang ke lempung ya lekai ha ke arpsan tarik unaitung ha ke ba ke nongba shillong kan dei ke wei na ki santali ki nongba ban pinlong ya ke ni ke lempung.
Now you see in Guwahati, there will be six games, and local teams are here from Northeast Football Club, then the Caribbean Long Football Club, Bodoland Football Club, and from Jammu Kashmir also they are participating here. Totally 6 games will be here, and we are only host and organizer is our armed forces. No, you see, first there will be no any charge in the entry, but entry pass will be there. Entry pass will be issued to every people who are interested. They can collect their entry pass in the stadium also, and other places also will decide. नहीं वो गुवाहाटी के एक ही स्टेडियम में चलते रहेगा जो क्या है 6 से जो खेल होगा ये गुवाहाटी की इंदिरा गांधी मेमोरियल स्टेडियम में होगा, सुरू सोजाई में ही होगा। तो 1 तारीख से 13 तारीख को होगा अगस्त के, अल्टरनेट डे में वो चलेगा। तो इधर उधर जाने का कोई ज़रूरत नहीं। और सेमीफाइनल आपका शिलोंग में भी होने का बाद है, तो तब तो सेमीफाइनल को उधर भी जाके दे सकता।
Diminta pet ngin pet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sen beneng hakeleng ki benta jong ka jilla. Hatura ka jingkriat kalong 40 Celsius, bat ka jingshit kalong lifeway degree Celsius. Ka jingsngam ka hau kalong kumba prapsau na ka shispa. Ka jinghapslak kalong sun point r millimeter. Haba pai pat sa kanong ba shillong, ka jingkriat kalong khat khandai degree Celsius, bat ka jingshit kalong 8 degree Celsius. Ka jingsngam ka hau kalong khandai po a na ka shispa. Ka jinghapslap kalong iway point sun millimeter. Kadba hajowai ka jingkriat kalong khat khandai degree Celsius, bat ka jingshit kalong 8 degree Celsius. Ka jingsngam ka hau kalong khandai po a na ka shispa. Ka jinghapslap kalong lai point r millimeter. Kandan ka jinghapslap ka bajur, bat ka jingtiat uperthan, habun ki benta hatura, shillong bat hajowai. Tishwabing ini penkut no ekani ketup kubor jongi minta ka stem, tung ini sngap sa shisien ya kini kimat ki bakongsan. Pinskem umentri rangba ke jilla ukwanrat ki sangma ya ka jing persha jur ka sarkar halor ka jingti uranium, pen bena ban penni ka kawai karai, ban ti khnang apok ka jilla Meghalaya. Bishar bina umentri rangba ke jilla halor wadhar, ki program halor ka kwat kakya, bat ki bor penni ding, bala ban pen thamai biang, bat ya ka kam penrai ki ba nia. Sam ay kasinjok Hills Farmers Union, ngriu tan ukubi hanong ba shillong, dawa badai ban lei ay kasokar ban kni benya halor ka jinghar dor palat put jong ki marram. Sedang ka sarkar pedeng ya ka benta ka bathamai jong ka skim udan ban pinya sno ya sispa athol kali ki jaka ki bathamai bat ban pinya shushu ya ka lek kawan nasun habaro ka wai kari India. Ban poi ka jingya lenti jong ka Limpong Indian Oil Durand Cup Trophy ka ba sispa lai pusan ha Guwahati haswa ban sedang ya ka Limpong ya lekai sedang shongship habaro ka wai ka than satay la mi. Di parlang katungi lapoi segi benta ke bakut jong kani ka thup khubor jongi minta ka stem hadu bangine sham biang bat phi shibet janmien khuble ye phi barwa.